Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to help you learn how to download an image from your Pinterest account. You can easily download a pin as an image to save on your computer or your mobile device on Pinterest. This means you can look at it whenever you want, even when you are offline. Before beginning, I would like to request you to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button if you've not yet, and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by tapping open your Pinterest application and sign into your account, if necessary. Go ahead and enter your email address, and then tap on Continue. Enter your password in the password text field, and tap on Login in order to log into your Pinterest account. Once you're logged into your account, and you are on your home screen, select any pin that you would like to save. Now as soon as you do that, you'll be able to see a Save button at the bottom of the image. Simply tap on Save, and you can go ahead and type in a name for your image and tap on Create at the upper right. After you do that, you'll be able to find the image in the saved category at the bottom right, and here is the list of the pins that you've saved. In order to download the pin on your device, simply click Open the pin, and after you open the image, tap on the three dots at the upper right corner. Once you tap on three dots, from the expanded menu, tap on Download Image, and allow Pinterest to access your photo, files, and media on your device by tapping on Allow. Now, the image has been downloaded on your camera roll. Simply go open your camera roll, and you can see it right here. You have successfully downloaded an image from Pinterest. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.